Welcome to the heart of precision. Welcome to a place where raw metal, fire, and technology
The synchronized precision of these robotic systems allows us to process thousands of components an hour. Check the leading edge on panel 12.
Looks good. Moving it to the belt now.
Submerged in the specialized polymer bath, the frame is now fully protected against corrosion.
The metallic layering on the hood is absolutely flawless.
Confirmed. Density reading is stable across the panel.
The internal tolerances here look good, but the thermal readout on the fifth block is marginal.
Agreed. Let's adjust the feed rate slightly and rerun the diagnostic.
We have a spike on cylinder 4.
Running diagnostics. Keep it steady.
The carbon fiber panels are precisely mounted, while technicians verify the gaps using digital micro-measurement tools.
Activation sequence complete. Voltage stabilizing.
Diagnostics confirm optimal performance.
The rear camber is slightly outside the optimal range.
Yes, the laser scan confirms it. Adjusting the parameters now.
Internal moisture levels are stable at 0.5%.
Excellent. The seals are holding perfectly under this pressure.
Look at the pressure drop right here on the rear diffuser.
Yeah, I see the vortices forming. Zooming in now.
The resonance at 120 Hertz is higher than expected.
Agreed. Let's adjust the frequency sweep and rerun the cabin analysis.
The density reading on the passenger side is slightly lower.
Adjusting the flow rate now. We need uniform coverage for the client sign-off.
Braking sequence initiated at marker 12.
Confirmed. Suspension flex within parameters.
Loader approaching threshold. Confirm alignment.
Hold position. Adjusting hydraulics. Okay, proceed slowly.